In this third step of this test drive, we're going to create a section view. Now, Solid Edge Draft allows you to create additional drawing views on the fly using standard settings. Settings are saved in the drawing templates so you can modify your drawing format to suit your company standard. This ensures drawings created by anyone in your company can comply with your standards. So the first thing that we want to do is create a cutting view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually area up, kind of see this a little bit better. And then I'm going to go up here to cutting plane, and I'm going to select the view that I want to place a cutting plane on. And what it does is it takes me into a cutting plane view, and then it gives me some, it puts me in, actually defaults to the line command. So what I want to do is just come down and find the midpoint. You see where it shows the midpoint, and when I drag out, it shows me that I'm still in line with that midpoint. So I'm going to click for my first line, point of my line, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal, and you notice the glyph next to my cursor, the horizontal, and place that line, and then right mouse button click to get out of the command. Once that line is drawn, I can close the cutting plane and go back to the top level view. Now here I'm looking at an ISO standard, so I'm just going to change that to ANSI millimeter, and notice it gives me a different look and feel. And so for this, we'll go ahead and select it in the up position. Now at that point, once the cutting plane has been created, we can go ahead and click on the section view. And as we place the section view, again, we can pick the ANSI millimeter and just click and pull that section view down. Now, but before we place that section view, we might want to go into the model display settings. It's going to bring up this dialog, and we can turn on and off some different things. In this case, I'm going to turn off the hidden edge style and click on the OK button and go ahead and place that particular view. Now you can see that it gives us a nice section view of that part, and as I zoom out a little bit, what I'm going to do at this point is I want to identify this view, and you notice all the views will stay in line automatically, but you can also turn off that maintain alignment on any one of those views, and once you do that, then you can move that anywhere you want in the drawing. And so if I move it over here, you can kind of see when I fit the view, I can put it anywhere I need to in the drawing. At that point, we need to save the file, so let's come up and resave our file. And it's going to save it as frame1.dft, and then you want to check and make sure all your students are up to this particular point in this test drive.